Greg here, Finches in Flight. One of my stabilizing products is I think it's called the Valterra bumper stabilizer. So as you might have seen in some of our other videos, we got two rambunctious boys. You can probably hear in the back right now. So this is kind of helps with the bouncing. You know, it's in their bunkhouse. So I'm gonna see. So this is a higher lot than I normally stay at. Yeah, it's nice and paved, but I gotta figure out. So this is fully extended. So to make up for that problem, I'm going to put it on a couple blocks and see what works. And because I'm a little anal about things, I've got just some anti-skid stuff to put underneath here, just protect the bumper, protect the product as well. So let me see here. Do I like? So something to take note, this sticks up too high. So that means I have it on the wrong side. And the other thing that'll give that away is these two need to be on the inside so that the hooks will grab onto it. So a little oversight on my part at first. Let's see here. Let's see. Gotta loosen it. So make it loose. Hook there, hook there. You just kind of so you can see that was quick, but actually a little more tedious than normal because I had to put it on blocks. I normally don't have to do that. So I'll put a link below and mention some other link and other product stabilizers, all the products we use. But I like it. Helps the bounce, definitely, and not so bothersome in the morning. So, all right, Greg, Finches in Flight. Please like and subscribe below.